Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to prevent someone to take a screenshot on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my WhatsApp. Now to restrict the receiver to take a screenshot, first of all, I'll select one image. For now, I'll go with this hard disk drive. I'll select this. Before sending, over here above this send button, you can see here is one half circle and dotted one over here. Tap on this and now you can see here V1's message just got more private. Now after that you can see here is message that recipient can't take a screenshot of it. That means if I toss that half circle half dotted one, recipient can't take the screenshot of this message. Now I'll click on this OK. Now this one is converted to full one. And now just send. As soon as the recipient opens this message once, they can't open that twice and also won't be able to take a screenshot. So in this way, we can restrict someone to take a screenshot on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.